Hey guys, Etienne with the San Diego Home Buyer. This is one of my favorite properties. This came our way from another investor who bid off a little more than he could choose. So he reached out to me. We came and had a look at the property and we really liked it. So much opportunity. We're sitting up on the hill here in Del Cerro with amazing 180 views, Mexico, La Jolla, and everything in between. So super excited on this one. Come on in, let's take a look. This is a huge high-end renovation. This is going to be a real good feature wall here, all timber slats. The big windows, the new garage door, and here we go. Notice the huge doorways in this place. Really rad. All new flooring throughout. Again, take note of the big doorways. Beautiful floors. This is our bottom level. Definitely can have a pool out here, and here's our shower house. We pride ourselves on our big old showers, that's for sure. Just imagine a pool right there, also with those beautiful views. And this will be a full kitchen. So super stoked about this renovation and this bottom floor being separate from the upstairs. Alright, from staircases to railings, here we go. We are going to have a glass railing that goes up here, and bam, look at that window. Oh my god. Leading into the master, again, take note of the huge doorways. This is a really cool feature of this place. Master, you can access the vanity from both sides, so you don't have to run into your spouse. One goes one way, other goes the other way. Boom, boom. Huge vanity across this wall. Walk-in closet. And of course, our big old showers again with a closed door toilet. Come on out. We opened this entire space up. This was the enclosed kitchen. We opened it right up to feature this view. Once again, 180 views, La Jolla, all the way through to Mexico. Unbelievable. LaCantina doors with a massive deck. This place is unbelievable. And here we go, we're going into the mid-century modern courtyard, as they want to call it. Just imagine this all redone with our features in between with grassy areas on the sides. And a brand new fence. Laundry. Another hot bath, shower. Also, take note, every room has a view, folks. Look at that. And here we go. Another room with a view. We frosted this one for some privacy, and another huge slider out into a courtyard. Choose your dream.